Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can connect Cloudflare to Hostinger. So first is you just have to log into your Cloudflare account as well as to your Hostinger account. And then once you're done, you just have to open your Hostinger domains. That's right. So we are going to use our Hostinger domains to connect to our Cloudflare account. So we're just going to copy our domain name. And by the way, my domain name provider or my domain provider is Squarespace. So after that, just open your Cloudflare account and then just go to the domain. So this one, that's right. And then here you have this plus icon at the top. So simply tap on this one and then tap on the connect a domain option. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds after that. And then here you just have to paste your domain. That's right. And then here you have the options to quick scan for DNS records or manually enter DNS records or upload the DNS zone file. So just going to use the first one. And then for the block A training bots, so I'm going to select the first one as well. After that, you just have to tap on continue. And then you just have to make sure that the domain has, if the domain is already added to our account. So since this domain has already been added to my account, so we can see this prompt right here. Okay, so all you have to do is to tap on continue, and then you just have to follow the next step, which is configuring your DNS records. So you just have to visit your domain provider, and then you just have to simply change your um, domain name server. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.